Good day, mom, sir. My name is Norvel. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Pagadian City, Philippines. I am single. I have one son, age 6 years old. My highest education attachment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and playing volleyball. I am a pet lover. I have dog and cat. My expertise are egg child care and elderly care. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, from March 23, 2023 to April 23, 2025. I serve one couple, one elderly, and four children aged 6 years old, 4 years old, 2 years old, and 2 months. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and for myself. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. To my future employer, Mom Sir, please choose me as your housemate because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and helpful. I promise to be a good housemate and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Mom, sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.